Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you that how you can create an animated text animation with beautiful background. So without further ado, let's get started. I will create a new composition and change its width to 1920 and height to 1080p and set the frame rate to 30 and 10-second duration is good. Now I will create a new solid and rename it as background. Now I will use effect that is called 4-color gradient. And changing these color 3 and 4 to black. And changing its rotation to angle 240. Now it's time to change the points of these color patterns. So now our color gradient is ready. Now it's time to add some other effects and I will use motion tile effect. Increase its width to 400 and its height to 600. Mirror the edges so that it will create a seamless background. Adding turbulence displace. Now making the changes to displacement as horizontal displacement. Now I will animate the amount, offset and evolution of this turbulence displace in order to give it animating movement. So I will just click on this amount, offset and evolution, but before changing I will increase the size and amount. Changing the complexity. I think it is good. And the evolution to 100. Now press U. It will reveal all the keyframes that are used. Go to the end of the composition and increase the amount. And change the offset turbulence, the pinpoint to somewhat this. Okay. Now our background is ready. I will add an effect that is called smear. And changing its reach and radius. Now you can see our background is ready and it's look great. Now it's time to add the text animation. For that purpose I will create a new composition that is text comp, and inside this text comp I will add a new composition for placing our text and rename it as text placeholder, adding the text. Center align the text and increase the size of the font. Now adding the animate and using tracking. We will use keyframes in order to animate the text. Now placing this text placeholder in this text composition and place this text composition in the main composition. So as you can see, now our text is animating. We can give a little depth. If we can add a background solid and change its opacity to somewhat 30. And apply a little glow effect to our text. So as you can see, our text animation and background animation both are ready. I hope that this tutorial will help you in order to create a title animation for you. If you like the tutorial, please do subscribe and share it with others. Till then, I will see you in next video.